If I was your microwave, these would be my rules. Rule number 1. If you use me at 3 a.m., I don't beep. I finish silently so you don't wake up your parents. Rule number 2. I heat the food, not the bowl. You can grab the plate with bare hands and never get burned. Rule number 3. Your burrito is never frozen in the middle and lava on the outside. It's perfect all the way through. Rule number 4. Leftover pizza or fries never get soggy. They come out crispy like they are fresh. Rule number 5. If you accidentally leave a spoon or fork inside, I won't explode. I just ignore it. Rule number 6. There is no timer. You press start and the food is ready in one blink. Rule number 7. If your soup explodes, I clean myself instantly.
But do you want me as your microwave?